This time the quick speed shop. Look, I bought a Jeep. I'm a professional. Don't try this at home. He's got a Jeep for sale. Well, it's junk. I'm going to show you what's wrong with it when I pick it up. But its price is right. We're going to do the deal and throw it up on the trailer. It's after work. It's a little overcast, a little cold, a little rainy, but we're in the Project Green Machine F-250. We're hauling the trailer. We're going down the road. It's nice. Going to be a nice evening. Load up some junk and bring it on back to the quick speed shop. So just hang on tight. I'll be there in a minute. We gotta get the sucker woed down here. Whoa. No problem. Alright, here we go. What do we got here? Hang on. That's it up along the road there. I think that's the Jeep there. That's it. Let me back up here and turn around. Uh-oh. Is there a rust issue with this thing? You told me this is rust free.
It's a Southern vehicle.
A Southern vehicle, good. Perfect. What'd you say?
I said it was rust free. I meant free rust.
The rust is, oh, free rust.
Free
Excellent.
rust.
The ad said never driven in the salt, mint condition, will pass inspection.
Yeah, it's all true. You got to know the right people.
All right, here we go. Gonna do some extreme hill climbing here with this thing on the way back. Acceleration, don't fail me now. Get it, truck, get it. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Get it, truck, get it. Yeah. Come on, baby. Get it! Get it! Come on, truck! Get it! Bam, it's the next day, I'm back. I got my $100 Jeep right here. That's right, I said $100. My buddy had this Jeep, and I'll show you why it was $100 here in a minute. But it's a 2001 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited V8, 4.7 liter overhead cam V8. It's got a Dana 44 rear end with a limited slip differential. And it comes with brand new tires that he put on. I'm not going to buy the tires from him. Well, actually, I might, because he wants $300 for the tires and they're $400 for the set. So I'm thinking about buying them and reselling them because they're a size I don't need, and they're passenger car tires. So I don't have them to put anything on that I have. So I'm thinking about pulling the trigger right now. It'd be a good deal. I can make a little bit of money. But I bought this Jeep because the rear suspension was ripped right out of the frame. I'll show you that in a second. These things are unibody, and they rot in where the lower control arms come in. It's ripped right out, so this thing is not drivable anymore. Even though it looks mint, it's completely rusted out underneath. I'll show you that in a second. But it's a limited with a moonroof, heated leather interior, V8, which I don't really have any use for. So my plans are to take this thing, get off the trailer, I'm gonna hang on to it for a little while, but I think I'm gonna part it out. I'm gonna save the Dana 30 front axle, the Dana 44 rear axle, and maybe the transfer case. It's got some other good parts on it I can sell. Then I'm gonna take the rest of it to the junkyard here when things start to open up after the Corona quarantine nonsense is over. But in the meantime, I've got it here, and for $100 for the Jeep and maybe $300 for the tires, $400 altogether, how can you go wrong? Bam. As you can see by the wheel, look at this. It's all the way back here. It's pulled away in the front. It's because the lower trailing arm has ripped right out of the frame. And look, you got rot. These things are all plastic clad, as they look mint when you go to see them in person, but the thing is rotted out. There's no rocker panels. Rock panel trim is just floating. There's no rockers. This thing is shot. But it's got nice leather seats that I might save all the way around, and some other parts, but it's done. It's rotted out. Western New York got another one. As you can see under here, that's what I'm talking about. The control arm is ripped right out of the frame. The frame is junk. The underside of this is shot. No rockers left. All scaly, rusty, nasty junk. Ooh, a couple of catalytic converters. Cha-ching! But just destroyed from salt here in Western New York. Look how nasty that is. Man, this thing's terrible. Looks mint on the outside, but man, it's nasty underneath. Right here, look at this. I'm almost positive. Yep, there it is. See this here? This is an aluminum center section, kind of light duty Dana 44 that they put in these trucks. It's got the Dana cover, not the round Dana 35. So that's worth it to me, just to have the Dana 44 rear end. That's worth $100 to me. This Jeep should have 373 gears, and I'm almost positive it's a limited slip rear differential. Got a pretty nice leather interior in here, black leather seats. I'll be saving these for something. It's a shame because this thing's loaded up nice, but it's junk. Man, I love this thing. It's super comfortable. It's like sitting in a leather couch in your living room. I should keep this and live in it. Well, maybe not. So I'm going to take some parts off this, like I said. Wheels, tires, Dana 44 rear end, leather interior, other stuff, and it's got brand new headlights in it. I'm going to save those, and then the rest of it's going to get pedaled to the junkyard. I guess that's it for now on the rusty Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. $100 Jeep. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'm putting out new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. Hit the bell for alerts. Tell your friends, and we'll see you right back here at the Quick Speed Shop. Sometimes for rusty junk like this Jeep, sometimes hot rods, sometimes big trucks, whatever else is going on here at the Quick Speed Shop.